Meet Alex, 18 and restless for more than the usual path. College felt limiting. He craved freedom, not a future chained to a desk. Online, he discovered e-commerce, a business you could run from anywhere. Alex dove in, learning from free YouTube tutorials and forums. He treated it like a life-changing project, pouring in every spare moment. His parents were skeptical, but he struck a deal, a few months to prove himself. With savings from a part-time job, Alex started building. The first sale was small, but it was proof. Someone trusted his store. Alex realized if he could make one sale, he could make 100. He doubled down, determined to scale up and turn his dream into reality. The adventure was just getting started. Alex's first challenge, finding the right product. He researched trends, scoured social media, and looked for items that solved real problems. He made a short list, checked competition, and picked a product with a wow factor. Next, he built his store on Shopify, choosing a clean design and writing clear, benefit-focused descriptions. Trust was key. He used high-quality images and made checkout simple. For suppliers, Alex turned to AliExpress, but didn't just pick the cheapest. He ordered samples, checked quality, and chatted with suppliers about shipping and reliability. Only after testing did he commit. In 2 weeks, Alex had a product people wanted, a trustworthy store, and a reliable supplier. These 3 pillars, product, store, supplier, set him up for success. He avoided shortcuts, knowing a strong foundation would save headaches later. With everything in place, he was ready to launch. The groundwork was done. Now, it was time to find customers. Alex's careful prep meant he could focus on growth, not fixing mistakes. He learned that details matter, especially at the start. Every decision, from product choice to supplier, shaped his business's future. Alex was ready for the next step, getting his first real customers. The store was live, and the world was watching. It was time to see if all the hard work would pay off. The real test was about to begin. Here's how dropshipping works, step by step. A customer sees Alex's ad, visits his store, and places an order. The money goes straight to Alex. He never touches the product. He forwards the order to his supplier, who ships it directly to the customer. Alex pays the supplier a lower wholesale price. The difference, after ad costs and fees, is his profit. Apps automate much of this, letting Alex focus on marketing, not packing boxes. Whether he gets 10 or 100 orders, the process stays the same. This scalability is the magic of dropshipping. Alex could run his business from anywhere, serving customers worldwide. No warehouse, no inventory, just a laptop and ambition. The system let him grow fast, without hiring staff. Dropshipping is a digital business model built for speed and flexibility. Alex's time went into what mattered, finding more customers and scaling up. The process was simple, but the potential was huge. With each sale, Alex saw how powerful this model could be. He wasn't just selling products. He was building a real business. The more he learned, the more he realized anyone could do this with the right approach. For Alex, dropshipping was the gateway to freedom. A great product means nothing if no one sees it. Alex focused on TikTok, where his audience spent their time. He made short, catchy videos showing the product in action. No boring ads here. With a small daily ad budget, he tested multiple videos to see what worked. He doubled down on winners, cut the losers, and reinvested profits into more ads. This smart, data-driven approach let him scale fast. As sales grew, he expanded to Facebook and Instagram, reaching even more people. Alex also built his brand's social media, posting content and customer reviews for free exposure. This mix of paid ads and organic posts built trust and community. Social proof, happy customers and followers, made new buyers more likely to purchase. Marketing was the engine of his growth. Alex learned to test, learn, and adapt quickly. Every dollar spent on ads was tracked and optimized. The result? Explosive sales and a brand people recognized. Marketing turned his store from a side project into a real business. Alex's winning product? The LED Glow Pet Collar. A simple, rechargeable collar that lights up pets at night, solving a real safety worry for owners. It had instant visual appeal. Videos of glowing dogs in the dark grabbed attention on social media. The emotional hook, keeping pets safe, made it irresistible. At $25 to $30, it was an easy impulse buy. The product was perfect for short, viral video ads. Millions of pet owners meant a huge, passionate audience. Alex targeted dog and cat lovers, city dwellers, and anyone who cared about pet safety. The caller's wow factor, problem-solving angle, and price point made it a dropshipping hit. It was easy to demonstrate, easy to sell, and easy to scale. Alex's careful targeting and creative ads did the rest. Sometimes, the simplest products are the most powerful. The Glow Pet collar was proof. Want to follow in Alex's footsteps? Here's your cheat sheet. Start with product research. Find what's trending and solves a real problem. Don't rush. Spend time looking for products with wow factor and big audiences. Make your store look trustworthy. Clean design, clear policies, and great images. If supplier photos are bad, take your own. Marketing is everything. Learn the basics. Start with one platform and test different ads. Use a small, manageable budget at first. Track your results daily. Double down on what works. Cut what doesn't. Be patient. Success rarely comes overnight. Alex lost money before he made it. Persistence paid off. Treat every setback as a lesson, not a failure. Stay organized. Separate business finances, track expenses, and know your real profit. Consistency and learning are your best tools. Don't expect perfection, just progress. Keep testing, improving, and adapting. Dropshipping is a marathon, not a sprint. The key is to start, learn, and keep going. Your first sale is just the beginning. Many new dropshippers stumble over the same mistakes. Don't pick oversaturated products with tiny profit margins. Alex's success came from a unique product with room for profit. Never ignore customer service. Fast, friendly replies build trust and repeat business. Bad reviews can kill your store overnight. Don't give up after a week. Finding a winning product and ad takes time. Alex tested several products and ads before hitting gold. Stay organized. Track your finances from day one. Separate business and personal accounts and know your real numbers. Don't just chase revenue. Focus on profit. Learn from every failure and keep improving. Avoid shortcuts. Build a real brand, not a quick cash grab. Consistency and patience are your secret weapons. Most importantly, don't quit too soon. Success comes to those who stick with it and keep learning. Alex's story proves age is no barrier. Action is everything. You don't need a degree, just curiosity and drive. Focus on one product, one platform, and master it before expanding. Reinvest profits to fuel growth. Don't spend it all at once. Every setback is a lesson, not a defeat. The real secret? Start now, not someday. Don't wait for perfect knowledge or timing. Take action, learn as you go, and stay persistent. Your first step is the most important. Alex's journey began with a single decision to try. Mistakes are part of the process. Embrace them. The perfect time is now. Your own success story is waiting for you to write it.